Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Imagine that you approach landfall and your GPS has not been accurate. You need to confirm your position and you have a single object ahead to port. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this single object for navigation. Think of navigation under sail or power as a three-tier structure. The foundation of our structure begins with dead reckoning, which uses time, speed, and distance. Next, we add the framework with at least one line of position. If we have just a single solitary object or even a sounding, we can boost the confidence in our location with an estimated position, also known as an EP. The final part of this three-tier structure will be the fixed position, which consists of two or more lines of position or circles of position. Your GPS gives you two lines of position, latitude and longitude, or you could take two or more visual objects, or in the case of radar, you can take two or more circles of position to find your location on a nautical or electronic chart. Today we're going to talk about the mid part of our three-tier structure, or the estimated position. In the illustration, we plot our last position at 0900 as we pass a beam of lighted buoy alpha. We are on a course of 060 degrees magnetic, and our average sailing speed will be 4.5 knots. We label the track line with this course and speed. At 1037, we take a bearing of 357 degrees magnetic on the spire to port. Use a protractor or your parallel rules to plot this line of position. Note how the bearing line has been drawn so that it overlaps the track line. Now let's find where we are along this line of position. Plot a DR onto the track line at the same time that we took the bearing. We took our bearing at 1037, so let's plot a DR for 1037. The amount of time between 0900 and 1037 will be 1 hour and 37 minutes, or 1.6 hours. Multiply 1.6 hours times our speed, 4.5 knots, to find out the distance traveled in that amount of time. Here we find we've traveled 7.2 nautical miles. Use a plotting compass or dividers to measure 7.2 nautical miles along the track line from the 0900 position. Place a dot and half circle along the track line as shown and label it 1037 DR. Use a straight edge like a protractor, index card, piece of paper, or ruler and place one edge along your line of position. Move the straight edge up and down until it intersects the 1037 DR. Place a dot onto the line of position at that point. Draw a small square around the dot. Label the position 1037 EP as shown. Now you can see how the DR and estimated position work together to solve the mystery of where we are along the line of position. In the illustration, it appears that we are being set to the left of our sailing track. The best decision may be to sail farther to the right to offset the effects of wind or current. Now you know how to use the power of dead reckoning along with estimated positions to boost your confidence in your navigation. This will help keep you and your sailing crew safe and sound wherever you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.